All right, good afternoon, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell for Wednesday, the 3rd of January, and let's talk a little bit about what I was talking about yesterday. Remember I pointed out QVCA, right? Remember this trade? I was looking to buy this if we could clear Tuesday's high, right? Based on this inside vertical bar, oversold, looking for the market to pop, right? Now, remember the null and void to that trade was if we penetrated up through the 2501 in the first 5 minutes of trading. I usually don't like to do that because it's usually erratic, and so I usually employ that rule. Okay. Now look at where the market opened up. The market opened up at 24.93. Now, if the market had not penetrated up through 25 in that first 5 minutes, I would have been long. Let's take a look at a 5-minute chart. Look at this. This is the first 5 minutes of trading today, and unfortunately, we traded up to 25.03. Okay, 25.03 in the first 5 minutes, and then look at that. Literally ran up, 60 cents, which is a nice move on this stock, which isn't very volatile. So I missed that trade because I employed that rule. If I did not give that rule out, you would have been long at 25.01. Again, it opened up at 24.93, traded down to 24.80, and then up and closed on that bar at 24.99, but had pierced it and penetrated up through it on that first 5 minutes. So I did not take that trade. Let's take a look at the other one that I spoke about yesterday. That was SPAR, and if you recall, let's see. All right. As you recall, right here, this was yesterday right here, and you look down, you were oversold, right? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive lower highs. Okay, so what I told you to do last night on yesterday's video was to be buying it anywhere from where it closed to lower, all right, anytime. So it closed at 1530, it opened up at 1540, okay, so basically the buy was anywhere from here to the low of the day. So anywhere from 1530 down to 1501. Market traded down as low as 1440 before reversing up. But remember, if I give you a setup like this, and these are based upon some algorithmic strategies that I use, and they work extremely well. So let me give you a hint. If I alert you to a trade setup, okay, like this, if you've got time, if you do any day trading, if you've got TradeStation or any other software program that you can pull up an intraday chart, I would suggest looking at that stock on an intraday basis and getting in, maybe even on a deeper pullback if you've got time during the day to watch it. So I was saying anywhere from 1530 to 1501. Let's look at a 5-minute chart here and take a look at what this looked like during the day. So again, opened up and we traded down to 1520 right in here, and then we dropped. So this is not a stock you would really want to day trade though, right? This is a swing trade. All the trades, pretty much most of the trades that I point out are swing trades, right? 2 to 8 day trades on average. You see these dots, not a lot of volume, not a lot of trading going on, okay? So let's go back to a daily chart. So I am actually going to put this one in the trades column because I am long. Actually, I got in at the lower price of 1501. I had a buy limit at 1501 to get me long automatically. All right. So again, and I placed that before the market opens. If the market had opened up lower than 1501, great. I would have been open on the open. That's great. Okay. Again, QVCA. It's frustrating when you take a look at that, but oh well. Okay, the one trade that I'm looking for tomorrow, Thursday, the 4th of January, okay, is this market, PEN, Penumbra Inc., okay? Now, yes, we've got 3 moving averages. We've broken down through this one, the 100-day, the 200, the purple, but we're sitting Again, remember, this is a 200 simple moving average here. You see that right here? Right, the 200. 200 works great because a lot of people look at the 200 moving average, right? The Investors Business Daily, Wall Street Journal, they all print this average. So it works so well because it's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. So many people look at it, you usually get a reaction at these levels, right? So on top of being oversold, as you can see on the 2-bar RSI, we're oversold, and at the 200, okay? Now take a look. Okay, we've got an inside bar, right? A higher low and a lower high. So this could set up for a powerful move. I'm looking to trade up through 91.90. So I'm actually looking for a 92, a minimum of a 92.01 print to the upside to go long. And my catastrophic stop would be below the low. And I'd be looking to make at least twice what my risk is. So if I'm looking to go long at 92.01 and my stop is at 88.90, whatever that difference is, times 2 is what my profit target is. If it hits what I'm risking, so if I'm risking only 2 points, I'm looking to go to break even and looking to make some profit on a portion of my position on that, okay? But I'll follow up on this tomorrow. Have a great evening. Bye.